Hey everyone, this is Noah from Elementor. Today I'll be showing you our very helpful and incredibly cool feature, the Custom CSS feature. With this feature, you could add your own customized CSS coding inside the section, column, widget, and pretty much everything on your page. Now before we begin, note that this feature is displayed only for Elementor Pro users. So here I have this nice looking section containing several columns and a button. Now say I would like to set a different background color for this column and different alignment for this column's heading. Of course, these kind of things can be done easily without any code in the style area of the column or widget. But I'm first showing you the basics so you could get the idea. So now I click on the columns icon, Advanced, Custom CSS, and here as you could see we've added a clean code editor for your use. Now while showing you this magic, we'll go over the instructions that are displayed right here. Use selector to target wrapper element. For example, if I want to give the entire column here a red background color, and because we are now editing the column itself, this means that we want to set the background color for the wrapper element. So I could insert the following code. And see how instantly, I repeat instantly, the column receives the red background color. And now for the headings alignment. We're talking about a child element inside the column. So after getting the last child element of this heading from the inspect element in your browser, I have here two options. I could either add this last child element to the selector like this, okay, or simply insert the last child element without the selector in front of it. So I could just delete it right here. See, and it's still aligned to the center. Now same goes for a custom CSS class that you insert up here in the advanced area, CSS classes. You use it just like with the last child element. Now that we did the basics, I want to show you a more interesting effect, say a gradient. So I'll just remove these codes. All right. So now I want to give this button a linear gradient background. So I click on the button widget, Advanced, Custom CSS, and because I want to give the background gradient only to the button and not to the entire widget, meaning the entire wrapper, I'll need its last child element. So after getting it from the inspect element in the browser, I'll insert it in the editor along with the code. All right. And now I want to give the entire section here a gradient background as well. So I click on the sections icon, Advanced, Custom CSS, and because I want the background for the entire section, I simply set it to the selector like this. Now you can't see the gradient yet because the section here has an overlay color. So I simply head back to the style, background overlay, and give it none. See? So as you can see, this feature opens unlimited design options for you without having to leave the page. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and tutorials, subscribe our YouTube channel or visit us at docs.elementor.com.